Hey guys, welcome and namaste to Soul Threefold Challenge. I believe that every individual or every human in this world has certain amount of pain or certain amount of experience of pain in their life. And everybody wish to get out of that pain and have a blissful and happy life. What if I tell you all that pain can be relieved and removed with simple tips and techniques? Would you agree? Would you follow? If so, let's do a practice together right now. All you have to do is sit in a comfortable position. All you have to do is sit in a quiet place and just give me a minute or two to help you, to make you understand and see that pain can be removed and you can be relieved out of it very easily. It is true that we experience different types of pains from different angles. It might be physically, mentally, psychologically, socially, or financially. Doesn't matter whichever the pain type you might be experiencing right now, but I assure you the techniques which I'm going to tell you will help you and guide you go through this pain pathway. Okay, are you ready? So let's do this together. If you're sitting in a comfortable position, wherever that is, try to close your eyes. This is the first important thing that you're supposed to do. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and now I want to ask you to visualize a pain that you want to deal with. Anything it might be. It might be a failure, it might be a breakup, it might be demise of one of your loved ones, anything. Visualize the pain in the form of a person. So your pain is in a form of a human who is sitting right next to you. Now hold the hands of that pain very tightly. Once you did, look into the eyes of that pain and ask these questions. The first question is, what is the value of this pain in my life? Tight wholly the hands of pain. Don't let it go. Ask this question. What is the value that you hold in my life right now? How much valuable is it important to hold this pain? What does it say? Does it say, yes, it is important that you feel the pain all the time? It is so valuable. It brings you life. It brings you joy. I don't think so. Try observing that the pain is struggling to leave the hands because you are confronting the pain. When you confront it, it starts going away. Hold it tightly and ask the second question. What will I lose if I let go of you? Look straight in the eye of the pain and ask, what will I lose if I let go of you? Doesn't matter, is the pain by your ex-partner, things that you couldn't do, your failures, any pain. What will you lose if you give up this pain today? Observe the pain is struggling to leave the hands that you're holding. And the last question is to yourself. Can you give yourself the permission to let go of this pain? You have the permission to let go of this pain. You have the permission to be free of pain. When you realize that there is no value, when there is no loss from letting go of this pain, it simply puts that pain can be removed and let go without any struggle. Give yourself the permission to let go. Try to take deep breaths whenever you do this practice. It is true, the pains can be very heartbreaking, very disheartening, very chronic. But a simple understanding that a pain has power over you only when you stand, only when you give value to it, and only when you don't realize that you have a permission to let go of that pain. And I hope this practice will help you whenever you try to deal with the pain. It is true, it may not be in one stretch in one day, but it definitely has the power to relieve your any kind of. I hope this was helpful to you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Take care.